Sweaty, and I could say all of these are running. Oh my god. Alright. This part, there's the stand that's running. Nice. And this one. Cold and Sweaty, and Cold and Sweaty. Next, I could say the cover maker got replaced to the Guardian. So this one's running again. No, not Cold and Sweaty. It's brand new Guardian's running. This one replaced a comfort maker. I filmed it before. Cold and Sweaty. Right. These two Train XRs. No, 3. Sorry. And then the maker. Scoop's running over there. Oh. This Train XR started up. This liquid line is cool. Right. And I could say this carrier's running. Oh, that liquid line is sweating. Works so well. Right. It's 2 old blanks is not running. It's 2 are rusty. Right. There's a York up there. Right. These are these Mitsubishi Electric Mr. Slim units. No, that's Fade. This one's not been running. This one's running. Ugh, this liquid line sweating. Right. The Toshiba Carrier. This one's not running. Got Carrier. This one's running. Liquid line's sweating. Right. Here's a brand new aux box, which replaced the Goodman that was frozen. Works so well. That's so sweaty. Right. Here's a carrier that shut off. Yep. It's been running. Was running so much. So there's a new aux box right here. A Train brand. They might put this unit here. This might get replaced. I don't know. Right. Here we have a Fujitsu. It's not running. This one's not been running. Okay. Here's the Cobalt Banker. And here is the Carrier. This one's running. Nice. It's getting, I don't know, it's getting dirty. It's Cold and Sweaty. 2010. So this is 15 years old. Here are these units. This one's not running. Oh my god. What the heck? None of these are running. These are all from 2020. Right. Train XP's running. This Train XP's not. These are both from 2001. Right. Here are these units. This one's not running. My god, this one's definitely been running. This one's running. This one's running. This one's running. My god. Like they're spinning so slow in the video. But it's very quiet. It's spinning so slow. God. It's the Goodman. Not been running.